Hello, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into another fascinating English word. Today's word is conduct, a B2 level verb meaning to direct or manage. So, let's get started. Conduct as a verb means to direct or manage the activities of something. It's often used when talking about things like experiments, investigations, or even orchestras. Think of it as being in charge of a process or event, guiding it from start to finish. A good way to understand it is to think about someone leading an orchestra. The conductor conducts the orchestra, guiding the musicians to play in harmony. We can also use conduct to describe behavior. In this sense, it means to behave in a particular way. For example, we might say someone conducts themselves well in a meeting, meaning they behave professionally. Let's look at some synonyms for conduct. One synonym is manage. We can say, the company will manage the project efficiently. This is similar to saying, the company will conduct the project efficiently. Another synonym is direct. Imagine a movie director. They direct the actors and the crew to create a film. Similarly, they conduct the filming process. Another useful synonym is carry out. We often use this when talking about tasks or experiments. For instance, the scientists will carry out a series of tests. This is the same as saying the scientists will conduct a series of tests. A further synonym is organize. Think about planning a party. You need to organize the food, the decorations, and the music. In the same way, you could conduct the party planning. One more synonym to consider is administer. This often applies to official processes, like administering an exam. This is similar to conducting an exam. Now, let's explore some antonyms of conduct, words with opposite meanings. One antonym is neglect. If you neglect your duties, you fail to carry them out properly. This is the opposite of conducting your duties. For example, the landlord neglected to repair the roof is the opposite of the landlord conducting the repairs. Another antonym is abandon. To abandon something means to give it up completely. For instance, the climbers abandoned their ascent due to bad weather. This is the opposite of conducting the climb successfully. Another antonym is mismanage. If you mismanage something, you handle it poorly. For instance, the company mismanaged its finances and went bankrupt. This is the opposite of conducting the finances effectively. Let's explore using conduct in everyday life. You might hear someone say, "Please conduct yourself appropriately at the interview." This means they should behave in a respectful and professional manner. Or, imagine you're organizing a charity event. You could say, "I need to conduct a meeting to discuss the event planning." Another example, the police are conducting an investigation into the robbery. This means the police are managing and directing the investigation. Let's consider a few more examples of how to use conduct in sentences and phrases. The school conducts regular fire drills. The orchestra conductor expertly conducted the symphony. The survey was conducted to gather information about consumer preferences. The company conducts business ethically and responsibly. The experiment was conducted under strict laboratory conditions. The diplomat will conduct negotiations with foreign leaders. The teacher conducts her class with enthusiasm. How you conduct yourself reflects your character. The organization is conducting a fundraising campaign. The general conducted the troops during the battle. So, to recap, conduct means to direct or manage something, and it can also refer to behavior. We explored synonyms like manage, direct, carry out, organize, and administer. We also looked at antonyms such as neglect, abandon, and mismanage. We also discussed how conduct is used in everyday conversations and common expressions. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word conduct helpful and informative. Before we go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find the show and continue learning English. I would also love to see you engage with the word. Please create your own sentence using the word conduct and share it as a comment under this video. I'm looking forward to reading your examples. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you next time on Hello Word.